Hi, I'm Vidya Tikari and today I'll be demonstrating a look on Bajirao Mastani exclusively for BandBaajaa.com. I've finished with the primer, now I'm starting straight with the foundation. The foundation for this look has a natural, dewy look. I'm using a concealer to highlight the face because in the movie Deepika has kept a really natural monotone look. So I want to highlight with the concealer itself. Blend with a makeup blender. I'm using a powder contour. Contouring is always underneath any bone. Highlighting is just the opposite. I'm powdering the face now, just to give it that smooth, silky feel. I want to give them a contour with a creamy crayon pencil. Blend this line till it disappears. I'm using a skin tone metallic color on the lids, just to give it a little highlight. Eyebrows played a really important part in Deepika's makeup, so I'm using my eyebrow kit to thicken up my eyebrows. First, primer. Second, highlight. I'm using a matte above the eyebrow and the shiny highlight underneath. And now with the brows, I'm using a powder color straight into the brow hair. I'm thickening up the brows from the base. I'm using a clear mascara to set the brows. This also gives it a really nice shine. I'm using a skin tone kajal just to keep it with a neutral look. A skin tone kajal is great to open up the eyes. I'm keeping the line really natural. Basically, this is just to frame the eyes. I'm using a really heavy volumizing mascara. Just lift the lashes up and out to open up the eyes. Remember, we're not using color on the eyes to open up the eyes. The only way the eyes can physically open up is by curling and using mascara. I'll be using a really neutral color for the cheeks, something which will just add a little bit of color. And the way in which I'm applying the color is by pushing it into the skin. And now for the highlighter. On the cheeks, on the bridge of the nose, and a little on the cupid's bow. And now for the fake lashes. I'm using one which is really natural. The whole idea is to maintain that really natural look. So I've just replicated Deepika Padukone's Bajirao Mastani look. Now it doesn't mean that you have to completely replicate the look. You can use your own imagination and do a little bit of alterations here and there, but as long as you get that kind of a clean look, I feel it's perfect for the sound bride. For more, stay tuned.